Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on probability, dates and statistics. As you can see, our today's question is a numeric entry question wherein we are given that 5 numbers in a set are arranged from least to greatest, and we are also given that the median of the first two numbers is 13 and the average of the three remaining numbers is equal to 23, and we are asked to find the average of the entire set. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the answer is 19. That is, the average of the entire set is equal to 19. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So it is given that the 5 numbers are arranged from these two greatest and the median of the first two numbers is equal to 13. Since 2 is an even number, the median of the first two numbers will be equal to the average of the first two numbers, let us call it A2, which is equal to 13. Hence, the sum of the first two numbers, let us call it S2, will be equal to 2 into 13, that is 26. Now, it is also given to us that the average of the remaining numbers, that is, average of the remaining three numbers, will be equal to 23. Hence, the sum of the remaining three numbers, will be equal to, let us call it S3, will be equal to 3 into 23, which is equal to 69. Hence, we can easily find out the sum of the 5 numbers. It will be equal to the sum of the two numbers, that is 26, plus the sum of the remaining three numbers, that is 69, giving us a total sum of 95. Hence, the average of the 5 numbers in the set is equal to the sum divided by 5, that is 95 divided by 5, giving us an answer of 19. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.